Hello everyone. If you want to use Google Docs offline when you can't access to internet, on the top menu click on File and now click on Make Available Offline. Now you can use your document and edit or add content. For example, I write hello, and on the top in Save section you see a device icon. Click on it and tell you all changes saved to this device and will save to drive once reconnected, which means if you edit or add your content in this document, all change will save to your device first, and after you connect to internet again, they will be saved in your drive and as a online document. And if you want turn off this mode, click on File and click on Remove Offline Access. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.